Hi, welcome everyone. I am Dr. Rajkumar from School of Physics and Material Science, Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss the roles of computer in physics. So, physics is said to be a difficult subject. Learning of scientific facts remains in the classroom only. The computer is one of the most brilliant gifts of science, having characteristics of speed, accuracy, reliability, and integrity. It can execute over a million instructions per second without making any mistake. It can also carry our calculation in just a few minutes that would require a whole month if carried out manually. The computational techniques have provided a friend and a servant to science, technology, and industry. Computers can be used to analyze and visualize the data, communicate the results, run experiment, and monitor equipment. Computing can play an important role and varied role in advancing physics learning. Computational techniques, namely simulations, multimedia, virtual reality, telematics, and computer-based labs, which may deal with those difficulties and increase the learning process. For understanding of existing physics and discovering the new physics as well. Modeling, which is closer to laboratory experiments. Comparison of real data, that is the experimental data, with the simulations. Real-time graphical display of actual physics measurements. Exploration in physics lab with real-time measurements. Okay, so let's move on to numerical analysis, modeling, and simulations. Numerical analysis is the area of mathematics and computer science that creates, analyzes, and implements algorithm for obtaining numerical solutions to the problem involving continuous variables. Such problems arise throughout the natural sciences, social sciences, engineering, medicine, and business. Thus, numerical analysis is concerned with all aspects of the numerical solution of a problem, from the theoretical development and understanding of numerical methods to their practical implementation as reliable and efficient computer programs. Modeling and simulation are two different activities that are mutually dependent. In modeling and simulation, they are used as models as a basis for simulation to develop data utilized for managerial or technical decision making. Models can be physical, models can be mathematical or logical representation of a system, entity, phenomena, or any process. In the computer application of modeling and simulation, a computer is used to build a mathematical model which contains key parameters of the physical model. The mathematical model represents physical model in virtual form, and conditions are applied that set up the experiment of interest. The simulation starts from here, that is, computers calculates the result of those conditions on mathematical model and output results in a format that is either machine or human readable depending upon the implementation. So let us consider a few examples like simulation of a particle detector, virtual training environment like we use in pilot training program, we use in gaming environment, weather forecasting, medical simulations, transport simulations. Next is goal of simulation. It can be used as analysis tool for predicating the effect of changes, design tool to predict the performance of new system. It is better to do simulation before implementation. So simulation can give us opportunity that we can get approximate results even before implementation of actual experiment. So in simple words, modeling and simulation is the use of physical or logical representation of a given system to generate data and help determine decisions or making predictions about the system. So let us consider an example. We can perform experiment on a system. That system can be a actual system and it can be a model system. So this flow chart clearly depicts different possibilities that system using this system experiment with actual system can be performed and experiment with a model of system can be performed. Now further, if we are considering a model of system, we have two categories of model: physical model and mathematical model. Then further, mathematical models have two different categories. One with the analytical solution and second one with simulation. So let us consider the question, what is actual difference between modeling and simulation? Modeling is act of building a model. Simulation is process of using a model to study the behavior and performance of an actual or theoretical system. Model aims to be true to the system it represents, whereas simulation can use a model to explore states that would not be possible in original system. So in this video, we discussed about role of computers in physics. We discussed about numerical analysis, modeling and simulation and their difference. So thank you for watching this video.